Quiz 1A and 1B feedback. Quiz 1A Part 1 Change the time words 呢 part 呢，其實睇返筆記就有㗎啦，所以冇咩好解釋，直接俾答案你哋啦。特別有一樣嘢要睇嘅呢，就係tomorrow 係 the following day 或者係 the next day 咁有啲同學寫咗第二啲答案呢就唔 OK 嘅。另外呢，就係 yesterday 係 the day before 啦，又或者另外一個答案 the previous day。咁有啲奇奇怪怪啊，咩 before the day 啊嗰啲唔 OK 嘅。咁你見到呢tomorrow next week the following week last week。The previous week 或者 the week before 其實都係差唔多啦嚇。Today 變做 that day， tonight 變做 that night。Part B Change the following sentences into reported speech。咁記得幾大原則啦。第一加 reporting verb。好咁啊，3個都要加咗 set 啦。第二轉 pronoun， 你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。咁你見到number 2咧 ，I am doing my homework， 個 my 都要轉嘅。係啦，咁留意究竟Lisa 係男定女 ，David 係男定女 ，Sally 係男定女，咁轉翻相應嘅 pronoun 啦。第3轉 verb 啦，現在轉過去，過去轉過去完成。咁 eat、am doing 同埋 go 就要轉啦。咁就變成咁。另外就係要轉時間啦。Tonight、now 同埋 today 都要轉，跟住結果就變成咁啦。Number 1 Lisa said that she ate dinner that night. Number 2 David said that he was doing his homework then. Number 3Sally said that she went for a walk that day。咁重複啦，3樣嘢要轉㗎。第一 pronoun， 你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。第二動詞，現在轉過去，過去轉過去完成。第三個 time words 係死背㗎。Quiz 1B 好，呢 part 呢同 Quiz 1A 一樣啦，唔多講啦。Part 2 Change the following sentences into reported speech。 都係記住轉嗰3樣嘢 pronoun、verb 同埋時間。Number 1 I eat lunch this afternoon。 要轉嘅分別係 I 要轉做 she， eat 要轉做 ate， this afternoon 轉做 that afternoon。答案 Answer Lily said that she ate lunch that afternoon. Number 2 Students choose their own pens, said Mr. Lee。 要轉嘅係分別係個 verb choose 變做 chose。 個 there 使唔使轉啊？唔使，你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。個他係唔使轉㗎，維持原判。答案 Mr. Lee said that students chose their own pens。 Number 3 We forget, said 3D students。 要轉嘅係 we 要轉做 they， forget 要轉做 forgot。 答案係 3D students said that they forgot。 Number 4 We break the record, said Sabrina and Spencer。要轉嘅係 we 同埋 break， we 要轉做 they， break 要變做 broke。答案係 Sabrina and Spencer said that they broke the record。 嗱，呢度要4題都要留意啦嚇。Number 1 said Lily 咧要變做 Lily said that， said Mr. Lee 變做 Mr. Lee said that， said 3D students 變做 3D students said that。而最尾 said Sabrina and Spencer 變做 Sabrina and Spencer said that。 最尾就即時變成咁啦。好 Number 5 I pay for you, Polly said Miss Lee。嗱，呢題要首先留意啦，你見到佢同 Polly 講，咁所以咧你要寫翻做 Mr. Lee。Miss Lee said to Polly that。咁跟住就照轉啦。I pay for you，I 要轉做 she， 呢個 she 係 Miss Lee 啦。Pay 現在變過去變成 paid。For you 呢個 you 咧係 Polly。咁由於咧佢係 object 嘅位，咁所以咧 you 我哋就變成 her 嚇，因為佢呢個係 object 嚟㗎嘛 ，she her her。咁所以成題嘅答案咧就係 Miss Lee said to Polly that she pay for her。咁 Polly 梗係唔要啦。Number 6 I am giving a lecture now said Dr. Chan。好啦，I 要轉做 he 啦 ，am giving 轉做 was giving。Now 要轉做 then。全題嘅答案係 Dr. Chan said that he was giving a lecture then。咁答案就即時變成咧咁樣啦。好，睇完明嘅話咧，就翻嚟問我或者 WhatsApp 我，咁跟住就進行補測啦。拜拜。